Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to activate your Credit Karma card in 2025. If you've just received your shiny new card in the mail, you're probably eager to start building your credit or earning rewards. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Credit Karma card handy, along with the activation code or details that came with it. This is usually on a sticker on the card itself. Head over to the Credit Karma website or open the app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're logged into your Credit Karma account, look for the Cards or Account section in the menu. This is where the magic happens. Click on the option to activate your card. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information, like your card number, the CVV code on the back, and the expiration date. Double-check these details to avoid any errors. Next, you might need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions, confirming your phone number via a text code, or even a quick video call for added security in 2025. It's all about keeping your account safe, so go with the flow. After verification, hit that Activate button and wait for a confirmation message. You should see a success notification on screen, and maybe even get an email or push notification to your phone. Congrats, you're all set. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, check the Credit Karma Help Center or contact their support team. They're usually super responsive. Activating your card is a simple way to take control of your finances in 2025, so give it a try right away. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.